Hey everyone, Derek here from WayScript. In this one, let's see how we can execute shell scripts automatically in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. Starting out, we'll need to create a script. I'll call this one shell example and then click on create. And what this will do is give us a script that we can store modules and code into. We can also execute these modules and code on time triggers so we can fully automate this process. If we want to automatically execute shell scripts, we can pull in a shell script module. Next, we could either open the full screen editor or we could type in code directly over here in the left. I'll just paste in some code. What we're doing here is just writing a text file using our shell script, and then we can click execute. Once this executes, we should see this new file of sample.txt over here in my file browser, which we do. Now, if we wanted to automate this, we could turn our time trigger on and set the parameters that we want. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know and we'll help you out. Until next time.